I can close out of my terminal, navigate to extensions, and I want to search for Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, and it should be the first one here by Tailwind Labs. Make sure you install this and have it enabled, but make sure that you guys do not follow these installation instructions here. It's going to tell you to set up a tailwind.config file and all this extra stuff. This will only work with Tailwind CSS version 3 and prior. We need to follow a different set of steps to set it up for version 4. So what we want to do is go into our settings. We want to search for our settings.json and go ahead and click on this so we can edit. What you guys want to look for first is going to be the Tailwind CSS.suggestions. This is most likely going to be set to false. What we want to do is set it to true. And from here, we can scroll down and we need to search for our Tailwind CSS.experimental. Yours is going to be set to null. What we want to do is set this to wherever we're importing our Tailwind CSS. So we're importing it in the index.css file. So that's what we want to specify here instead of null. And make sure you go ahead and save this. Then we can navigate back to the app.jsx. We'll go ahead and remove all of these classes right here. And then we'll go ahead and try and type in a new one. So now if we type in text, it's going to help with suggestions straight from Tailwind CSS. So this is sizing. We can also choose from colors. We can also choose pretty much anything we want from Tailwind CSS right here as a suggestion, instead of having to go back and forth between vscode and the documentation on tailwind.com.
Tap here to see what happens next.